I found this bike abandoned, like it was waiting for a second chance. Years of dust. No one touched it for a long time. Under all this dust, there's still a legend. This is worse than I thought, but not impossible.
Into the light we go. Let's wash away the years.
There it is, the real color. Step by step, bring it back. Every part has a story. Let's see what's going on inside. First, get the old oil out. No wonder it wouldn't run. Years of grime are coming off now. Every layer of dirt tells a story. The heart of the machine goes back in. Every bolt matters. Precision builds power. Piece by piece, the beast comes back to life. Perfect finish. The base has to be perfect, only then will the final color truly shine. Easy, let the paint flow. This color is going to turn heads. Perfect. That shine is exactly what I wanted. A perfect ride starts with a perfect wheel. This tank carries the soul of the bike. Every detail matters when you build it with heart. Every bolt, every detail, perfection is built, not bought. Don't give up on me now.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Finally, the Harley is restored. Now let's take it for a ride. Harley-Davidson is the world's best classic bike. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, like and subscribe for more.